Good evening. Good
What's your
evening.
name, sir?
I am Karan Singh Rathod and represent Natural Herbs and Formulation as an Vice President for Pan India.
Sir, let us know about your product and your stall a little bit more.
See, Natural Herbs and Formulation is a multi-divisional company and multi-product company. Our organization, we focus on all organic products only, natural products. Because if you see, there is a lot of threat to the human beings through the birds. Because whatever chemicals we are giving to the birds, they are being uh, stored in the body of the bird or in the egg, and the same when we eat, they give us different diseases and different disease conditions. So this is a great challenge, and to save the human race, we have to shift ourselves organic sector as our previous ancestors used to do. You must have seen in older days, or even still in villages, people they believe on natural things. They don't believe on all these things. So we are focusing on it, and we have a very high and good future in the near this thing market. And we natural herbs are marketing our product to 45 countries, and we are the leader as far as Indian exports for natural and organic product is concerned. This platform has been very good, and we are thankful to the West Bengal Poultry Federation. The way they have managed it was very good, and they have given such a good platform for us to promote our products. We in Calcutta, every year we are getting 35-40% growth, and we are targeting for the next year that we may cross all the limit. And we are thankful to the each and every member of this poultry federation, including our farmers and our dealer distribution network, who has made it such a successful. So we are thankful to them.
Okay. Sir, how excited you are to be a part of this 12th edition of Kolkata International Poultry?
I'm sorry.
How excited you are to be a part of
Yeah,
this year
it is
12th edition?
always, see, we are in the business, we have to
Yes.
promote our company. So you cannot just judge our excitement. For
Yes.
next year, we have, today only we have booked for the next year also. Say,
Okay.
yes, we will be there. Same like Hyderabad,
Yes,
Poultry
yes,
India.
yes, yes,
So
yes.
these two events are big events for Indian poultry in India. So yes, we are excited. We get lot of opportunity to meet new people, and especially not only from West Bengal, but from Bihar also. Then Odisha. Then some customer from Uttar Pradesh also, and
Okay.
all elite customers they come, and then our consultants who are responsible for the growth and the security of this. So we get great opportunity, and this is one-to-one meeting that is possible.
Sir, do you really think that this kind of expos will help to grow your business more?
Of course, ma'am. You are exposed. People they see you, what you are doing, and then you have a opportunity to tell them how you are doing it and what these products can do for the. This is a moral responsibility also. Whosoever is marketing their product, it's a social responsibility. So, of course, it's a great this thing.
How are the footfalls, sir, yesterday?
Very good.
Very good.
Food, yes. It had been, as far as the food was concerned, and particularly for this Federation Kolkata Poultry Fair, it used to be the best. But somehow, ever, this year, they have to look into. Because sometimes what happens in a minor change, you do good for a good, but you never know the person who is taking care. So that goes there. But definitely this must be. And I hope management must have taken note on this as we were discussing. So
Okay.
yeah, so
Thank you
it's
so
good.
much, sir. Have a great day.
Thank you very much, and thank you all.